Now coming towards the end of this assignment, let's begin with the most important part, that is the shadow. So first I'm going to give the shadow which I can see of the petals. As you can see, I'm painting using just black color with water, so it's watery black, making it look grayish. No adding white over here. And looking at the photograph, I'm painting a light black shade in first towards touching the petals, and then with plain water I just blurred it out. So whenever I use plain water, I make sure I wipe the brush on the napkin and I do not put direct water from the jar ever. Now there are some petals which are touching the base in the photograph, so the shadow will be darker where the petals are touching the base. And the other petals on the top are not touching anywhere on the table or the base, whatever you want to call it, so that will not have a shadow. Now the stem is curved in such a way that the central portion of the stem does not touch the table, so below it the shadow is going to be lighter. Where the stem is touching, I just made it a little darker, and now I'm blurring it out using a moist brush on the top and the bottom. The area where I had stained red paint, I have erased it using an eraser as you saw before. So that area gave me a darker tone of grey, but that's not supposed to be that way.